Today we're checking out this RedRock ground anchor with a 12,000 pound capacity. If you're into off-roading, overlanding, or even just exploring places where there aren't always trees or solid anchor points around, recovery gear can make the difference between a good trip and a long day of stress. This is one of those be prepared pieces that's really easy to bring with you, and when you need it, you're really glad it's there. And when you don't, it's easy to store in the back or toss it in the garage when you're not off-roading. So this is definitely worth considering. This RedRock ground anchor is made for self-recovery situations, which basically means when you're stuck and there's nothing nearby to hook a winch line to, this is going to be a great option. This is made to handle a capacity of up to 12,000 pounds. So it's built to handle real recovery work when you're buried in sand, snow, or any soft ground. One of the coolest parts is that it has 3 different angle settings for different soil types, so you can set it up to bite better depending on where you are that day. That adjustability matters because recovery in gravel or sand is totally different than recovery in mud, rocks, or out there in the snow. That adjustability really matters because recovery in gravel or sand is totally different than recovery in mud or rocks. And this is designed to cover all of those different situations. It also folds together really easily for storage, and it comes with this nice heavy-duty storage bag, so you're not dealing with a whole awkward hunk of gear rolling around in your bed. If you run the trail solo, you travel off-grid, or you just like having a backup plan, this is a smart piece of recovery gear that's worth keeping with you. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting super heavy duty steel construction designed for strength and durability with a folding design that makes it much easier to stash when you're not using it. It's built to take the abuse that comes with recovery work, and this steel build is a big reason why it can handle all the way up to that 12,000 pound capacity. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid $200 price range. For a legit self-recovery anchor with that 6-ton pound rating, steel construction, multiple angle settings, this has a strong value. Cheaper recovery options can look fine on paper, but when you're actually stuck and pulling hard, you want something built to do the job safely and confidently, and that's where this comes in. All right, that wraps up my review of the RedRock ground anchor with a 12,000 pound capacity. And for all things off-road, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.